Hello friends, NIPER Guwahati Recruitment 2022 8টা টিচিং এণ্ড নন টিচিং ভেকেঞ্চি ওলাইছে সো আপোনালোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে। NIPER গুৱাহাটী লাষ্ট ডেট আছে 11 তাৰিখ 4 মে 2022 11 এপ্ৰিললৈকে। নেশ্যনেল ইনষ্টিটিউট অফ ফাৰ্মাচিউটিকেল এডুকেশ্যন এণ্ড ৰিচাৰ্চ গুৱাহাটী NIPER যি has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 8 teaching and non-teaching vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply.
Another post is Professor Medicinal Chemistry post as a pay scale level 14 and cell 1 of pay matrix basic pay is 1,44,200. Essential qualification PhD in pharmaceutical sciences, pharmaceutical chemistry, organic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, natural product chemistry or equivalent with first class or equivalent grade at the preceding degree. M.Pharm, MS, MSc in pharmaceutical chemistry, medicinal chemistry, organic chemistry, natural product chemistry with a very good academic record throughout and at least 10 years of teaching, research, industrial experience with published works of high quality, well recognized and established reputation of having made conspicuous seminal contribution to knowledge in the above areas. Desirable expertise in sustainable organic synthesis, including green chemistry for bioactive heterocycles and drug or drug intermediates, drug discovery in context to medicinal chemistry, organic synthesis, natural product inspired drug synthesis, its isolation and characterization of bioactive molecules from the herbal product. Preference will be given to the candidates having minimum of 3 years experience at the level of associate professor or equivalent and who completes at least one EMR or industry sponsored project with administrative experience like establishment of department. Its candidate should have demonstrated adequate experience of independent research in terms of guidance of master's students and minimum of 2 PhD students execution and or recipient of sponsored EMR project technology transfer and with publication in SCI journals. Age limit not exceeding 50 years. 2 number post is associate professor medical devices. Number of posts at a pay scale level 13 and cell 1 of pay matrix basic pay is 1,23,100. Essential qualification PhD with first class or equivalent at the preceding degree, MSc, M.Pharm, MS Pharm, BTech, MTech in bioengineering, biomedical engineering, mechanical engineering with a very good academic record throughout and at least 8 years of teaching, research, industrial experience of which at least 3 years should be at the level of assistant professor with published works of high quality. Desirable candidates should have experience in biomechanics, biomedical engineering, biomedical devices and or bioelectronics, expertise in developing and testing of biomedical devices in class 2 and class 3 categories will be an added advantage. Patent field granted in the area of biomedical devices will be preferred. Candidates who have transfer of technology commercialized product will be preferred. Preference will be given to the candidate who has ongoing completed at least one EMR or industry sponsored project on the biomedical device. A candidate should have demonstrated adequate experience in independent research in terms of guidance of at least one PhD graduated student with publications in SCI journals. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. 3 number post is Associate Professor Pharmaceutical Technology and Formulation. Post at a pay scale level 13 and cell 1 of pay matrix basic pay is 1,23,100. Essential qualification PhD in pharmaceutical sciences with a first class or equivalent grade at the preceding degree, M.Pharm, MS in pharmaceutics pharmaceutical technology and formulations, industrial pharmacy with a very good academic record throughout and at least 8 years of teaching, research, industrial experience with published works of high quality, well recognized and established reputation of having made a conspicuous seminal contribution to knowledge in pharmaceutical and allied areas.
Desirable candidates should have adequate knowledge and experience on formulation development and scale-up studies as well as technology transfer for bulk and other dosage forms. The candidate should also have exposure to various optimization and prediction tools like design of experiment, DOE driven all and ML Gastro plus Winonlin. Its preference will be given to the candidate having a minimum of 3 years experience at the level of assistant professor Ramalinga Swami Ramanujan fellows and who completes at least one EMR or industry sponsored project with an administrative experience like the establishment of department aids. The candidate should have demonstrated adequate experience of independent research in terms of guidance of master's students and at least one PhD student and having good publication in SCI journals. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. Senior post assistant professor pharmacology and toxicology post আছে এটা pay scale level 12 and cell 1 of pay matrix basics pay is 78,800. Essential qualification PhD in pharmaceutical biomedical engineering with first class or equivalent grade from institutes of repute and a preceding degree M Pharm MS MTech MSc in the pharmacology and toxicology regulatory. Psychology, biotechnology, biomedical sciences with a very good academic record throughout and at least 5 years of teaching, research, industrial experience with published works of high quality. Desirable candidates should have demonstrated experience with in vitro and in vivo translational pharmacological approaches in the areas of neurodegenerative immunology, non-invasive therapies, infectious disease, nanomedicine, or development of material for in vivo imaging. The candidate should have demonstrated adequate experience of research in terms of guidance of master's students, experience obtaining sponsored EMR grants and publications in SCI journals. Age limit not exceeding 40 years. First number post হয়েছে assistant professor medical devices. Post আছে এটা pay scale level 12 and cell 1 of pay matrix basic pay is 78,800. Essential qualification PhD with first class or equivalent at the preceding degree MSc, MPharm, MS Pharm, BTech, MTech in bioengineering, biomedical engineering, mechanical engineering with a very good academic record throughout and at least 5 years of teaching, research, industrial experience excluding the experience gained. While pursuing PhD with published works of high quality, desirable candidates should have experience in biomechanics, biomedical engineering, biomedical devices, and or bioelectronics, expertise in developing and testing of biomedical devices in class 2 and class 3 category will be an added advantage. Patent field granted in the area of biomedical devices will be preferred. Candidates who have transfer of technology or commercialized their product will be preferred. Preference will be given to the candidates who have demonstrated adequate experience in independent research in terms of guidance of master students, execution of sponsored EMR project, and with publications in SCI journals. 6 নম্বৰ পোষ্টটো হৈছে ষ্টেট এণ্ড ছিকিউৰিটি অফিচাৰ। পোষ্ট আছে এটা। পে স্কেল লেভেল 10, বেচিক পে ৰিচ 56,100। Essential qualification: bachelor degree in any discipline from recognized university institute. Experience: 5 years experience in commissioned service in Army, Navy, Air Force, paramilitary force, or police only, not below the rank of captain or equivalent. DYSP of police. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. 8 নম্বৰ পোষ্টটো হৈছে টেকনিকেল এছিষ্টেণ্ট কম্পিউটাৰ ছেকশ্যন। পোষ্ট আছে এটা। পে স্কেল লেভেল 07, বেচিক পে ৰিচ 44,900। Essential qualification: bachelor degree in computer science from recognized university institute. Experience: 3 years of experience in data management and website management. Desirable: master's degree in computer science. Experience in computers and database, word processing software like MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint. Age limit not exceeding 35 years. 8 নম্বৰ পোষ্ট হৈছে মেডিকেল অফিচাৰ। পোষ্ট আছে এটা। পে স্কেল লেভেল 10, বেচিক পে ৰিচ আছে 56,100। এছেঞ্চিয়েল কোৱালিফিকেশ্যন: MBBS ডিগ্ৰী ইন এনি ওৱান অফ দ্য শিডিউলছ to the Indian Medical Council Act 1956, 102 of 1956, and must be registered in State Medical Register or in Indian Medical Register. Desirable qualification: post graduate medical qualification recognized by the MCI. Preference will be given to MD in general medicine. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. Application fees: teaching post 1,000 rupees, 1,000 only. Non-teaching post 500 rupees.